Yo guys, welcome back with me Kenwilboy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do Forex technical analysis for beginners. This is the best way for you to do technical analysis. Please watch this video till the end. Don't skip any of its part. And for those who doesn't know me, I'm Kenwilboy, the founder of Fortunomarkets, the best Forex broker in the world. And I'm also a professional trader with over 10 years of experience. Okay, let's jump in. Here, take a look how I did technical analysis. First, I'm going to show you the profits I've made from this, or the profit I currently made from this technical analysis or strategy. It's really effective, and it's also a beginner-friendly way to do for you to approach technical analysis, because what I saw online is I think there is just too much strategies out there. There is thousands, if not millions, of strategies out there. Even if you're good enough, you can even make your own strategy if you want. But I'm just going to show you the strategy I've been using for over 10 years, and it's still effective, and millions of other traders are also using it, especially the professional one or the experienced one. Okay, this strategy is the basis of all strategy out there. And let me show you the profit first. This is how much I made recently, $25,000 in XAU USD. Oh, sorry, I accidentally pressed stop loss. No. Okay, $24,000. See here, $24,000 in unrealized gain here. And how did I do this? I'm gonna show you real quick. But here, I will show you the reason behind my entry too. Why did I enter my trade here? Why did I enter a buy position? Okay. So which strategy, or what should I do? What should we do when looking at a chart like this? What should we look at? Okay, this is how I do it. So I'm using a strategy called support and resistance. It's a classic basic strategy, but it's really effective. This is the basis of all the strategies out there you see online, ICT, SMC, whatever. This is the base. This is the basic. The building blocks, the foundation of every strategy is out there. So support and resistance, what you need to do is, okay, here, to make it easier, I'm going to move to trading view here. It's the same chart, but to make it easier, for me to scratch and draw around. So here's the price I entered in. I entered a buy position in 3,333, somewhere around here. Take a look here. Open price 3,333 here. Same charts. Okay, same charts, just different platform. In TradingView, you cannot open a position. This is just for analysis. So that's what I do. I'm just doing the charting here. Okay, so this is the price where I open buy position. What's the reason behind this position at 3,333? So what I did is I use support and resistance. This is how you can find a support or resistance. So as you can see here, this is support level. I'm going to show you here. Take a look here. You might take a look here. Okay. So because the market is touching or entering the support level, support area, that's why I'm buying it. Because if you don't know what is a support or resistance, support is basically an imaginary floor where the price tend to stop falling and bounce up. And resistance is the opposite. So resistance is basically an imaginary ceiling where the price of an asset tends to stop rising and bounce down. That's basically it, support and resistance. So in order to find support or resistance level, what you should do is you look around for a price where, there is a lot of, the price tends to bounce around in that level. Like every time the price touches that level or area, it always bounces the other way around. Like here, this is a good support level, and also this is here, this is a resistance level. How can I say it? This is resistance becoming support here. Why? Because as you can see here, retest here, 1, retest again, 2, retest means touching, okay, 2, retest again, 3, retest 4. This is a resistance that becomes a support level afterward. Yes, support could become resistance, and then resistance could become support, usually like side by side. So yeah, but you need to pay attention. Although support is like a floor, resistance is like a ceiling. If a support or resistance level is broken, it means the price would go in that particular direction quite aggressively. Let me show you. If a resistance level is broken like this, remember, resistance is the ceiling, right? If a resistance level is broken, it means the price would rise up aggressively. Because resistance being broken, it means there is more buyers than sellers. The buying pressure is higher than the selling pressure. So the price would keep on rising up quite aggressively. And the other way around. If a support level is broken, it means the price would fall quite deep, okay? So yeah, that's how we use support and resistance. Basically, at support, we buy, resistance, we sell. But when the resistance is broken like this, we continue buying. And if the support level is broken, we sell instead of buying. That's basically it. So here, as you can see here, the price did not break through the support level. That's why I'm buying here. And I hold it up till now. The price rises up from 3,333 from where I entered a buy position here. 7 lots of buy position, it's huge position. Up till now to 3,366. Yes, and I'm up 23,000. Yeah, a little bit up and down, you know, before it's 25, now it's 23K, but it's okay. We're still making tons of money here. And also for another confirmation why I entered a buy position here, this is what I do. I use chart pattern here. You don't need to memorize, no worry, don't worry, you don't need to memorize everything. It's quite confusing, especially for beginners. Back then I'm also confused by all of this, so many terms, so many to memorize. No, you don't need to memorize anything. For me, the two best or the two most important candlestick pattern is this: engulfing, bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. See here, when I saw one, I knew that the price would do a reversal. So what I would do here, first I would see the zone where I would roughly could enter the buy or sell position here. Because it's touching the support level, I knew this is a zone where I could potentially open a buy position. But I need another confirmation. Just from looking the support and resistance is not enough. What if the support level is about to be broken? We never know, right? We never knew. What I did, okay, here, I look around for a reversal candlestick patterns for confirmation, and take a look here. This green candle and the red candle here, both of this candle, okay, the one I'm pointing at, both of this candle, you see, this is a bullish engulfing chart pattern. Bullish engulfing, like this one. See? Where the green candle engulfs the red candlestick on the left. Here, the green candlestick, of course, the shape is not perfect. It's not theory. This is real market price, real trading. This is not some simulation. This is real. Of course, the shape would not be perfect, just like anything in the real world. Nothing is perfect. But you can see the shape. It resembles bullish engulfing. See? The green candle, the body is way bigger than the red candlestick, and it engulfs. It's both taller and shorter, like longer both on the top end and the lower end here, forming what we call a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. The moment I saw that bullish candlestick pattern, especially bullish engulfing, that's one confirmation. Another one is support level here. I knew this is the time for me to buy. That's why I bought 7 lots of it, 7 lots of gold, XAU USD. And here I am. I'm up 23,000 USD. It's crazy, right? Yep, and you can follow my strategy too. Basically, what I usually did is, this is one, well, I use several strategies, but this is one of the most beginner-friendly strategy I would recommend to any beginners out there. You can copy my strategy. And for the broker that I use fortunomarkets. Why? Because basically this is the best broker you can get, out there. It has very low spreads, very low fees, one of the lowest in the world. And secondly, it's safe, trusted, and reliable broker with instant withdrawal and all that good thing, regulated, all the best stuff. And for the third reason I'm using this broker, it has unlimited leverage. Yes, up to unlimited leverage. So you can set any leverage you want from 1-to-1 to 1 to unlimited. I think now there is only a few brokers offering unlimited leverage, and Fortune Markets is the best out of those few brokers that offer unlimited leverage. Unlimited, yes, that's a big difference. Because with high leverage, you can earn more money. That's basically it. With small amount of your own money, you can trade big positions, large positions, institutional type of position using like $10-$20 of margin or capital. It's crazy. Of course, with higher leverage, it comes with higher risk. But, well, if you deposit your play money or the money you can afford to lose, no problem. You can always limit your risk. For me, especially if I'm using smaller account, depends. I have both smaller account and a bigger account. There is two types of risk management strategy or risk management methods. First one is the low risk. They normally use stop loss and then low lot size. I would recommend 0.01 lots for every $100 if you want to trade low risk, with low chance of, or almost zero chance basically of stopping out, hitting stop out with your account. It's good, especially if you use larger balance. But if you are using smaller accounts, what I would do is I would go all in, full margin. But remember, only put in the money you can afford to lose in that particular account. It's called the war account, okay? Full margin method, all-in strategy. Basically, your stop loss is your stop out. And if you're using that strategy, it's a good thing. It's actually a helpful thing to use unlimited leverage, because then you can earn tons of money. You can only lose 100% of your money, right, in your account. You cannot lose 200%. Of course, if you deposit 100 USD, that's the maximum amount of money you can lose. If you deposit 50, that's the maximum you can lose, 100%. But if you're using unlimited leverage, full margin, the potential is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000% gain. So that's a good 1-to-10, 1-to-20 risk to reward ratio. That's why I like to use full margin with unlimited leverage, especially with my smaller accounts like $100, $1,000. Like go boom, 1,000 becomes 10,000 in a day, easy, or 1,000 becomes 20,000 in a day. It's possible, and I've done that again and again. A lot of times. Okay. If you want our signals from me and my team, we have a group of very credible, of professional analysts and traders here creating our own signals. If you want it, and also free courses, free education, check the link down below. There is everything you need there as for you as a beginner. Free signals, free education, free courses. And if you want to start trading, I have the link for fortunomarkets down below too, in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon down below. Yep. Thank you for watching, and peace out.